Unlocking the power of agreement. Couldn't agree more, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as powerful as it is popular. Couldn't agree more. Whether you're watching movies, reading books, or engaging in conversations, this phrase pops up quite frequently. So, let's break it down together, ensuring you can use it confidently in your English conversations. At its core, couldn't agree more is a statement of strong agreement. When someone uses this phrase, they're saying that it's impossible for them to agree any more than they already do. It's a way of expressing that you wholeheartedly agree with what has been said, showing complete alignment with the other person's opinion or statement. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings. Here are a few scenarios where it fits perfectly. In discussions about topics you feel passionately about, when someone expresses an opinion that matches yours exactly, in response to a suggestion you think is excellent, it's a great way to strengthen bonds in conversations, showing that you not only agree but also deeply connect with the other person's viewpoint. Let's look at some examples to see how "couldn't agree more" can be used in real-life conversations. 1. Friend, I think learning new languages opens up a whole new world. I couldn't agree more. It's like getting a key to countless new cultures. 2. Colleague, taking regular breaks increases productivity. Absolutely, couldn't agree more. It's essential to recharge. These examples show how agreeing strongly can not only convey your own stance but also validate the speaker's point of view, fostering a positive dialogue. While "couldn't agree more" is a powerful phrase, here are a few tips to keep your English sounding natural and engaging. Mix it up with phrases like "absolutely" or "totally agree" to add variety to your conversations. Pay attention to tone and context. Using this phrase in a sarcastic tone can convey the opposite meaning. Combine it with a reason why you agree so strongly, to add depth to your conversations. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, "couldn't agree more." We hope this video not only enriches your English vocabulary but also inspires you to express your agreements more passionately in your conversations. Remember, mastering a language is all about understanding the nuances that make it beautiful. Thanks for watching, and we couldn't agree more that you're on the right path to becoming an English language pro. See you in the next video.